ProWritingAid Everywhere is the desktop version of our online app, which allows you to access ProWritingAid wherever your stories are coming to life. It's available on both Windows and Mac OS. Let's see how it works. You can download ProWritingAid Everywhere from our website. Once installed, the ProWritingAid icon will appear wherever you are writing. This is how ProWritingAid Everywhere appears in a software like Scrivener. Once you've added some text, the ProWritingAid icon will turn pink to indicate that there are suggestions for you to review. You'll also see underlines for grammar, style, spelling, and passive voice improvements directly in your text. Clicking directly on the icon opens up your goals and improvements so you can see how your writing scores in key areas of your document type. You can also hover over the icon to expand the menu and access additional features. If you click directly on the report icon, you'll see options for line editing reports. Line editing reports focus on areas like grammar, style, consistency, sentence structure, and word choice. If you click on the feedback icon, you'll see options for story editing reports. This is where you can explore chapter critique, manuscript analysis, and virtual beta reader. These reports give you feedback on big picture observations about your writing, like plot, characters, and world. If you want to write without feedback, click the eye to turn on focus mode. Focus mode allows you to hide the highlighted suggestions, removing all distractions from your writing session. When you're ready to jump back in, simply click the closed eye icon once more to turn your suggestions back on. ProWritingAid Everywhere allows you the flexibility to write wherever you want without sacrificing the tools and features you've come to love. Download it now on our website.